Okay, we have another problem here, still under isotonic solutions. It says a solution of anhydrous dextrose, molecular weight 180, contains 25 gram in 500 ml of water. Calculate the freezing point of the solution. Okay, there is this relationship that says that a molar solution of non-electrolytes has a freezing point of minus 1.86 degrees Celsius. A molar solution of non-electrolytes has freezing point of minus 1.86 degrees Celsius. Actually, generally, a molar solution of substance has freezing point of minus 1.86 times the dissociation factor of the substance or the solution. The solution is better, or the solution. Now, but if the solution is a non-electrolyte, what it implies is that the dissociation factor is 1 because of the dissociation is insignificant, so it's negligible, so it's 1. So 1 times this freezing point will still give you the same freezing point. That's why we leave it at minus 1.86. But for electrolytes, it's minus 1.86 times what? Dissociation factor, because their dissociation factor is not negligible. The dissociation factor of electrolyte is not negligible, but that of non-electrolytes are what? Negligible. So now, based on that, what we have here is anhydrous dextrose. It's not an electrolyte, it's a non-electrolyte. So a molar solution of this dextrose gives you what? Minus 1.86 degrees Celsius freezing point. Now let's go. Let's see what they have give us. Okay, before let me break down what I mean by a molar solution. Now, in this situation, now when you say a molar, that is a solution of a solution of 1 mole. Now, 1 mole of this anhydrous dextrose is the weight. A mole, 1 mole. Generally, a mole is weight over what? Molecular weight. Generally. So if it's 1 mole, if at the end you get 1 mole, what it implies is that the molecular weight, the weight on top here is the same thing with the molecular weight. That's why you can have what? 1 mole. So when you say a molar solution in this situation now, it means that the solution, a molar solution, generally is talking about that the molecular weight of that particular substance. All over what? The molecular weight, the molecular weight of that particular substance in 1,000 what? Gram of what? Water. A 1,000 gram of water. So a molar solution is the molecular weight of that particular substance in 1,000 gram of water, but using specific gravity of water, which is 1. So this can be expressed as molecular weight all over what? 1,000 ml in this situation now. So now, coming here now, we are looking at a molar solution of this dextrose anhydrous dextrose now is talking about what? The molecular weight of this anhydrous dextrose. The molecular weight, which is 180 gram in 1000 ml of what? Water. This forms a molar solution of this anhydrous dextrose. Now, if 180 gram in 1000 ml of water, this molar solution produces or has freezing points of minus 1.86 degrees Celsius. How many? What will 25 gram of this dextrose in 500 ml solution? This is a solution, sorry. In 500 ml solution, what freezing point will it give us? So let us set a proportion with this and get what we are looking for. Let us set a proportion with this and get what we are looking for. Now, setting it mathematically, we have something like this. That 180 gram in 1000 ml gives minus 1.86 degrees Celsius freezing point. Therefore, 25 gram in 500 ml will give what freezing point? Let's first solve for x. X is now equal to 25 gram over 500 ml times minus 1.86 degrees Celsius divided by 180 gram over what? 1000 ml. So this can also be expressed as 25 gram over 500 ml times minus 1.86 degrees Celsius over 1 times this 1000 will come up. We now have 1000 ml over what? 180 gram. At this point, for us to save time, I want to use calculator. I've been solving with a calculator and it takes our time, so it makes the length of the video to be long. So let me use this calculator to cut it short. So let's calculating this out. We now have 25 times minus 1.86 times 1000 ml divided by 500 divided by 180. This will give us 0.51666, approximately 0.52 degrees Celsius. So let me clean up so I can accommodate the answer here. So what it implies is that the answer is now we now have that x is minus 0 because of this minus here, minus 0.5166. So approximately minus 0.52 degrees Celsius. So the freezing points of the solution is minus 0.52 degrees Celsius, which means that it is what? Isotonic.
Admission. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician EENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhD) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School ENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is located at ENU Mission Hospital, Agidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803 708 1512, 0813 868 2003, 0803 267 5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.